Ever wondered where the digital magic of Xero happens? Where's the heart of this cloud accounting giant beating? It's a question I get asked a lot, and honestly, it's a question that often gets a slightly surprised reaction when people hear the answer. Because while Xero's reach is global, its roots are firmly planted in a place you might not immediately expect. Think about it. We use Xero for everything from invoicing clients across continents to tracking expenses in different currencies. It's a truly international platform. So, naturally, many assume it's based in Silicon Valley or maybe London or even some tax haven somewhere. Places synonymous with tech and finance. But the truth is, Xero's story starts a little further off the beaten path. In a land of stunning natural beauty, innovative spirit, and a surprisingly robust tech scene. Before I reveal the answer, let's talk a little bit about why this question even matters. Why should you care where Xero is registered? Well, for a few key reasons. Firstly, it gives you a sense of the company's culture and values. A company's origins often influence its DNA, shaping its approach to business and its relationships with its customers. Secondly, it can have implications for legal and regulatory compliance. Depending on where you're based and the type of business you run, knowing where Xero is registered can be relevant for data privacy, tax regulations, and other legal considerations. And finally, it's just interesting. It's a bit of trivia, a little nugget of information that can spark conversation and give you a deeper understanding of the company behind the software you use every day. Now, I've dropped enough hints. Are you ready for the big reveal? Xero is registered in New Zealand. Yes, that's right. This global powerhouse of cloud accounting was born and bred in the land of the long white cloud, Aotearoa, as it's known in the Maori language. I know it might seem a little unexpected, but when you think about it, it makes perfect sense. New Zealand has a thriving tech sector, supported by a government that's keen to foster innovation. It's a country known for its forward-thinking approach and its commitment to sustainable business practices. And these values are reflected in Xero's own ethos. But Xero's story isn't just about its location. It's about the vision of its founder, Rod Drury. He started Xero back in 2006 with a simple but powerful idea: to bring accounting into the cloud. At the time, desktop accounting software was the norm, and the idea of managing your finances online was still relatively new. Rod saw the potential of the internet to revolutionize the way businesses operate, and he set out to create a platform that would be accessible, intuitive, and truly global. And that's exactly what Xero has become. From its humble beginnings in Wellington, New Zealand, it has grown into a global force, serving millions of businesses in over 180 countries. It's a testament to the power of innovation, the importance of vision, and the fact that great ideas can come from anywhere in the world. So, what does being registered in New Zealand actually mean for Xero users? Well, for starters, it means that Xero is subject to New Zealand's laws and regulations. This includes data privacy laws, which are particularly important in today's digital age. New Zealand has a strong track record of protecting personal information, and Xero is committed to upholding these standards. It also means that Xero is part of the New Zealand business community. They're actively involved in supporting local initiatives and contributing to the growth of the tech sector in their home country. And this sense of community is something that resonates with many Xero users. They appreciate the fact that they're supporting a company that's committed to its roots and its values. But perhaps the most significant impact of Xero's New Zealand registration is on its culture. New Zealanders are known for their friendly, down-to-earth approach, and this is reflected in Xero's customer service and its overall approach to business. They're known for being responsive, helpful, and genuinely committed to their customers' success. And this culture extends beyond customer service. It's also reflected in the way Xero develops its software. They're constantly listening to feedback from their users and incorporating it into their platform. They're always innovating, always improving, and always striving to make their software even better. Now, it's important to remember that while Xero is registered in New Zealand, it operates globally. It has offices in many different countries, and its team is made up of people from all over the world. This global perspective is essential to Xero's success. It allows them to understand the needs of businesses in different markets and to tailor their software accordingly. So, while Xero's heart is in New Zealand, its reach is truly global. It's a company that embraces diversity, celebrates innovation, and is committed to empowering businesses around the world. And that brings us back to our original question. Where is Xero registered? The answer, as we've seen, is New Zealand. But the story behind that answer is much more complex and much more interesting than you might have initially thought. It's a story of vision, innovation, and a commitment to building a truly global platform. It's a story that reflects the values and the culture of the country where Xero was born. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.